In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task. In Asana, 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address associated with your Asana account and click Continue. When prompted, type your password carefully, then select Log In. If you use single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual to land on your Asana homepage. From your homepage or the appropriate project, create a new task or a subtask. Give it a clear title that starts with a verb so it's obvious what needs to be done. In the task's description, add the context someone needs to complete the work. Think brief background, links, and any instructions. Set a realistic due date so everyone understands the timeline. If you have files or screenshots, attach them right here so they stay with the task. Next, click the task to open its details pane on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll manage everything about the task, including who owns it, when it's due, and what it's related to. Keeping details centralized here helps teammates find what they need without chasing messages. Look for the assignee field near the top of the details. By default, Asana is built around a single owner for clear accountability. If you want multiple people to work on the same item, choose Assign to multiple people. This doesn't give one task to many people. Instead, Asana creates a separate copy for each person you select. Each copy keeps the same title, description, due date, and attachments, but progress is tracked individually. That way, you avoid confusion over who is responsible and everyone can finish their own copy without stepping on each other's toes. Start typing the names or email addresses of the teammates you want. Asana will suggest people from your workspace, so pick the correct ones as they appear. Use the search to make sure you're selecting the right person, especially if multiple colleagues share similar names. When you're ready, click Assign to confirm. Asana will generate those copies instantly. You'll see the task reflected for each assignee, and they'll receive notifications based on their settings. A quick tip: if different people own different parts of a larger effort, consider creating subtasks with distinct titles and dates. It keeps work organized and makes status updates easier to track. And that's it. You've logged in, created a clear task, opened the details pane, assigned it to multiple people as copies, and finalized the assignment with confidence.